viewers, my name is Arni Pradoshini Bhaduri. I am from class 4B. Today I am going to talk about fitness. Fitness is important for our body. It keeps us.
जी आप सभी को नमस्ते नमस्कार। आइए शामिल होइए भारत सरकार के द्वारा चलाया जाने वाला अभियान फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट में, क्योंकि अगर आप स्वस्थ हैं, आप फिट हैं, तो यह देश फिट होगा। तो आइए आप फिट इंडिया फिट इस स्लोगन को हम चरितार्थ करें, जमीनी हकीकत बनाएं।
Namaskar, I am Manas Sanyal, a part of a West Bengal police family in the rank of Assistant Sub-Inspector. We all know that Government of India had taken a great endeavor to introduce the Fit India movement. Kendriya Vidyalaya Kashipur is also trying to do needful for this movement. So, how do you make fit ourselves? When we commonly talk about staying fit, we usually think of physical fitness. But being fit is actually about the fitness of body and mind. Staying fit does not only mean that we simply do daily physical exercises.
Vidyalaya Kashipur. I would like to share my views on health and fitness. Fitness is a state of health and well-being, and I am glad that my school and my family helps me to stay fit. I play table tennis and do swimming to stay healthy. In school also, we participate in various yoga and sports activity. I love my games period where I get to run and play with my friends. Nowadays also, when we can't go to school due to pandemic and attend online classes, our teachers always motivated us to do indoor exercises and eat healthy food. They say health.
नमस्कार, मैं कावेरी देवहरी हूँ। मैं एक वर्किंग वुमेन हूँ। मेरे हिसाब से ये जो फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट बनाया गया है, ये हमारे देश के सभी लोगों को सचेत करने का एक बहुत ही अच्छा तरीका है। मैं सारा दिन बहुत ही बिजी रहती हूँ, लेकिन मैं हर दिन सुबह उठकर कुछ वक्त अपने के लिए रखती हूँ। मैं मेडिटेशन करती हूँ और फ्री हैंड एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ। इससे मैं मेंटली फिट रहती हूँ, फिजिकली हेल्दी भी रहती हूँ। हमारे देश में ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिसके बहुत सारे प्रतिबंधकता रहते हुए भी वो लोग ऐसे काम कर जाते हैं जो हम लोग नॉर्मल होकर भी नहीं कर सकते। ये लोग हमारे सामने एक बहुत ही बड़ा मिसाल है। तो आइए कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना दिखाकर, कोई बहाने ना करके हम सब लोग ये शपथ लेते हैं कि हर दिन हमें फिट रहना है, रोग मुक्त रहना है। इसलिए हम हर दिन मेडिटेशन करेंगे, फ्री हैंड एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, कुछ एक्टिविटी करेंगे और हाँ, बहुत सारा पानी पीना है। जंक फूड, स्पाइसी फूड ये सब अवॉइड करना है। फ्रेश वेजिटेबल लेना है, सीजनल फ्रूट खाना है। इससे हम लोग फिट रहेंगे।
Good evening. My name is Paromita. I am a journalist and a mother. Fitness has always been very important to me because without a healthy body and a healthy mind, I would not be able to perform either of my roles. Be smart, make time for exercise. It is not possible for all of us to exercise early in the morning in the fresh air, though that is the best way to exercise. So, exercise when you can, where you can. Fresh air is rather at a premium these days, so you might have to exercise indoors for your health. Fitness is also a great legacy to pass on to your children because that will keep them healthy and therefore happy all their lives. Stay fit, stay well, always.
Namaskar, my name is Sonali Sinha and my three children, Shomodip Sinha, Shubhodip Sinha and Suhasini Sinha are students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Kashipur, studying in class 9 and class 4 respectively. Today, when the whole country is talking about Fit India, I am very glad to say that Kendriya Vidyalaya Kashipur have always tried to inculcate a value of fitness among its students. My elder son Shomodip, who has been into swimming, have always found immense support and motivation from the school at any level, be it regional or national. My younger pair of twins are also regular table tennis players. Sports have not only helped them to be physically fit but also have helped them in keeping their mind alert. The various activities, be it sports or yoga, that they participate in the school have built up have helped them to build their self-esteem and help them in coping up with situations. But I also firmly believe that doing only the exercise is not enough. Maintaining a healthy diet and a disciplined lifestyle is also important to be totally fit.